Let's start looking at our eukaryotic DNA polymerases. These are different than your bacterial ones. So in bacteria, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in Roman numerals. In eukaryotes, we have Greek letters. The first one is DNA polymerase alpha, and it's going to start DNA replication by laying down an RNA primer using primase activity. So this word right here is supposed to be replication. So remember, in bacteria, we have to start DNA replication with an RNA primer, just like right here. In bacteria, that's the job of primase. In eukaryotes, it's the job of DNA polymerase alpha that has primase activity. So they're doing the same thing. And the way that I remember this one is that alpha starts with A. A is the first letter of the alphabet, meaning that this must be the first step since A is the first letter. And that means that alpha does the first step of DNA replication, which we know has to be laying down that primer. The next one is DNA polymerase delta, and delta is going to make the lagging strand in eukaryotes. And the way that I remember this is delta airlines lags behind. And then finally, you have DNA polymerase epsilon, and this is going to make the leading strand. And I don't have a way to remember this one other than knowing you know what alpha does, you know what delta does, you know you have to make a leading strand, therefore by default it must be DNA polymerase epsilon. So if you have a way to remember epsilon, that is great. If not, you can just remember that by default, your last function must go with your last DNA polymerase. And those are the only three you need to know.
I hope you found this video really helpful. The concepts and information presented in these videos will be true no matter what genetics class you are taking. However, the concepts presented in this video are referencing material currently covered in Baylor University's coursework. Remember, if you are currently enrolled as a Baylor student, we offer free tutoring services. Our tutoring center is located on the first floor of the Sid Richardson building. You will find all the details you need to know about these services on our website, www.baylor.edu/tutoring. You may schedule a free 30-minute one-on-one tutoring session online through Navigate, or just drop in during our open business hours. For more information about our current services, please visit our website. Thank you.